Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a EA Electronic Arts account. So first you have to simply search for ea.com and you can find the official website of Electronic Arts. That's mean the EA Sports Gaming or the games or the game company. So if you want to create the account, then you can simply click on this profile, the man icon here. So simply click on it, and from here you can create an account by simply click on create account button here. Now simply click on create account. Now here you can see you can create account using your Google account here, Facebook account, or Apple ID, or your Steam account, your Xbox account, or you can use your PS account also. Now from here you have to select the country and region. You have to simply click on this drop down button and select the country and region that you want to create. Then you have to set the date of birth and the date of birth, like month, day, and the year. After that you have to simply click on next. Now from here you have to add the email address that you want to associate with your EA account. So I'm going to add my email address here. Now you can add your EA ID. So here, this is how your friends can find you in the EA or EA games. Your EA ID must be 4 to 16 characters long. So you have to add an ID. So I'm going to add my ID here, just like this. Now from here you have to enter the password. It's not available actually, so you can try to add some numbers here. So here it is. Now here is the password. So we are going to add a strong password with 8 to 64 characters long, and at least one lowercase letter and at least one uppercase letter, at least one number. So I'm going to add it like so. All of these are completed now, so simply click on next. So from here it will ask for to go with the captcha, the puzzle captcha here. So you have to simply complete the captcha from here. So I'm going with this like just like this, and from here you have to complete the captcha. Make sure that you are at the right coordinate, like this. Here you can see home and 21. So we are on 21 and also in the home also. So we're now click on submit, just like this. You have to complete it. So I'm going to complete that from here. So that's like it, and simply click on it. Now submit. You have to submit 5 of captcha. So here it will add in the this and this, just like this. Simply submit, and the last one here. So I'm going to add this from here, just like this. Now here the home and the 16. So here you can see the verification is complete. So you have to complete the verification. Don't get confused. Now here you can find the profile visibility, where you can just select the profile visibility that who can actually view your profile. You can set it to everyone, or my friends, or friends of my friends, or private. After simply selecting that, allow players to find me with my email address or email me about this, and simply click on this box here if you want, so that accept the user agreement and privacy and policies. Now you can simply click on create account, and it will give you some verification code in your Gmail. So you have to check your mailbox. Now I'm going to check the mailbox here. So here it is. So here you can see we have a verification code where it is. Here is the verification, verify now. So enter the mail here. So verify now. Here you can see it has verified, or there should be a code, just because here it is. Now it has just code, send it right now. So we are going to add the code from here, verification code. Now simply click on next, and here it is. Now simply click on finish, and it will create the account on your EA website or EA account. So you can use this account in any platform that related to Electronic Arts. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.